So, welcome back to the Nerd National Communication Center. I'm Mike, and Santa Claus brought the nerd a dash cam. It's an Apeman C450. So let's do a quick unboxing of my new toy. So with this unboxing video, I thought I would start out with the official website of the Apeman C450 Dash Cam and look at the specifications and let you know what attracted me to buying this one, or more specifically, putting it on my Christmas wish list and having Santa Claus bring it to me. It's full HD. It has a nice 3-inch screen. It has a 170-degree wide angle to catch the action from your front window. It has accident recording lock, so if you get in a wreck, it has a G sensor, so it will not overwrite that accident footage. And it has excellent day and night vision. You want to make sure a dash cam is going to have good night vision because you have a better chance of being in an accident. Now, of course, with all dash cams, it does loop recording, so it will fill up your SD card and then write over the oldest video and continue on. The other things that attracted me to it is I'm just on Amazon right now, and you can see it's $45. But another thing that really attracted me to it is it has 22,000 ratings, and the average is 4.4 out of 5. So that is excellent. We've only got 6% 1-star, and then you have to look at these and say, okay, how many of these are bogus because of the issues you have with good and bad reviews of products, deliberately good or deliberately bad, caused by the problems you have on Amazon of shenanigans with reviews. It is a nice unit, and let's get into seeing what's inside the box. So any good unboxing video should start with looking at the box for the C450. And no surprises here. It's just summarizing the same stuff it told me from the website. So let's get inside this sucker. Aha! The manual. The user manual. I wonder how many languages it comes in. There you go. 6 languages, only one of which I'm interested in. Ah, the camera itself. So tiny, so small. Just look at that sucker. Not a whole lot to it, is it? And it's amazing that they can do this with these things. There's my clasp to connect it to the windshield. There's my mini USB. $45, pretty amazing. And what's this? Below it, I've got more stuff. Ah, there it is. All the worky bits. So let's see what they are. So power being somewhat useful to electronic devices, we have a mini USB to USB adapter. We have a cigarette lighter to mini USB, much longer, so we can run it up the A pillar of the car and underneath the headliner to the dash cam. This, which I didn't bother to take out of the bag, appears to be to push the reset button on the underside of the camera. Here is the permanent mounting to your windshield. And then, of course, we have a suction cup for mounting it to our windshield. Now this, I think, is a very small back scratcher, or you might use this to help put your shoe on, but then again, it could be used to take that mounting point off of the windshield. I'm honestly not sure, but they went to a fair amount of effort to give me this little chunk of plastic. And there you have it. So showing extreme weakness, I took a look in the manual to see what the buttons are. And the buttons we have are the OK button, the menu button, the lock button, and the orange power button on this side. And then on this side, we have up and down and menu in the middle. There's the SD card slot. The only thing I could find that would be the use for this little punch key right here is, if you look right here on the bottom, one of these two holes is the microphone and the other is the reset. So I assume you have to push that little key into the reset recess to reset the camera if it locks up for some reason. So it looks pretty simple, looks pretty straightforward. I'm looking forward to getting this in my car, and for $45, I don't think anybody should be doing without a dash cam these days. So that's a quick unboxing video from The Nerd Is In.